Hi everybody, it's Ginny here from Fine and Country on Exmoor and welcome to Oare Cottage. Situated in the Lorna Doone Valley, this beautifully presented home offers 3-bedroom and accommodation all on one level. The property also comes with its own stabling, just over 3 acres of gardens and grounds, as well as ample parking. It's perfectly situated with close proximity to bridleways and footpaths, making it a true haven for those seeking a lifestyle change. Linton and Lynmouth and also Minehead are just a short distance, as well as also to the North Devon coast. So please follow me to find out more about this beautiful home. The property offers very comfortable and spacious accommodation with 3 double bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, kitchen, conservatory and this beautiful open plan sitting room and dining room where the beautiful views can be enjoyed from. For those seeking a lifestyle change, then this is the ideal property for you. Whether you're an equestrian enthusiast or wanting to run a small holding, then this is the ideal property. It comes with just over 3 acres of paddocks already separated, as well as its own 4 stables, tack room and feed room. There is also a separate entrance, so ideal for those that have got trailers or machinery that need to access the property. So if you would like this to be your next view, then please do not hesitate to contact us and we would of course be delighted to hear from you.